go. This is 23 Panini Certified Football Hobby Box PYT 82. It's torn to larger down here past Seattle. That's the list.
Make sure you guys check the item description of this one for the details of the sweepstakes if you're in this break. Again, no purchase necessary. Expires 12/31/2023. This is 23 certified hobby. We have 2 autos, 2 mins per box on average. We have 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Guess the player on the last auto of this break for 20 in credit. You do not have to be in the break to guess, so if you're watching, get your guesses in. This is Certified Football PYT 82. Good luck, everybody. Let's get those guesses in for the player on the last auto. We've hit one of one already tonight. Let's see if we can hit another. Good luck to everybody in this break. Here's our 10 packs. Here's our empty box. Packs behind it. Up next after this is the Mosaic No Huddle. We are full on the breaks, so all spots are taken. Thank you guys again for helping fill the breaks. We got an Aiden O'Connell guess for the auto in this one. Truth, I'll take your Tony Pollard for a guess in this, since it was late for the last one. Out of 116 out of 249, if this is going to focus. That's Micah Parsons on the Franchise Foundations for Dallas. Wow, we got an auto right out of the first pack as well. That is going to go to the Colts. That is rookie Evan Hall. He got injured right away, didn't get a play. 38 out of 50 on the Evan Hall rookie. Rookie roll call. That thing pops up here to buy spots, but I think we are full, so disable that. Let me top load this other one here too. We got a number card and a numbered auto right off the bat. Still should have one more auto, 2 mins as well. There's Jalen Hurts. Mark Andrews, Cordero Patterson, and our next pack. What do we got going here? Here we go. Kid Reporter card. Oh, what do we have here? That is a calling cards, Derrick Henry. Really cool insert right there. Top load. I don't know. I'm not familiar with all the inserts in this set yet, so we'll just top load it anyway. 107 out of 275 on Stephon Diggs right here. 7 out of 275 going to the Bills spot. Then we got Derek Stingley Jr., Matthew Stafford, and George Kittle. Kid Reporter card as well. There, Immortals. There's Luke Kuechly. And our first min, that is going to be Jordan Addison, rookie Jordan Addison for Minnesota. On the purple patch there, 227 out of 249. And that's going to Minnesota. So therefore, the Vikings spot. We'll finish up that pack. We have Nick Bosa, Cooper Kupp, James Conner, start here. We'll go back again. There's that Franchise Foundation. That's DK Metcalf. We have a rookie Max Duggan, 65 out of 399 on that one. Roquan Smith, Brian Burns, Adam Thielen. Our next pack. That is Certified Stars, Christian McCaffrey, And that is our second mem. That is Certified Ballers, Nick Chubb. The brown mem right there, that is out of 149, 146, or 46 out of 149. Didn't want to focus too well on that. Certified Ballers. Up next, guys, is our Mosaic No Huddle break. That is PYT 80, so if you're waiting on that, that is coming up next. Get your guesses in, guys, for the player on the last auto of this break. We got Aiden O'Connell, Jordan Love. I'll accept Tony Pollard in this one. Desmond Ridder. DJ Moore. Devin White. Our next pack. We have another kid reporter card there. With our calling cards, that's Myles Garrett. We have Luke Shoemaker. Going to Dallas, 42 out of 99. Rookie right there. Aaron Rodgers for the Jets. Devin Lloyd for Jacksonville. Jonathan Allen. 4 packs left. Bobby Herbert. Steve Young on the Immortals. Jonathan Taylor. Daniel Jones. Aaron Donald. A.J. Brown. There. I don't know if that's a filler, if that... I think that might be our auto. Let's set that off to the side here of that pack, just in case. Because I think we got both mems so far. You guys, Mosaic No Huddle is coming up next. Certified Stars, Saquon Barkley. There's a Tank Dell out of 199, 75 out of 199. Unfortunately, he broke his leg today. He's having a great year. Dalvin Cook, Joe Burrow, Ramondre Stevenson, another guy got hurt today. We'll see how bad that injury is. Probably know tomorrow or the next day. There's another kid reporter card. There's a Travis Kelce on the gold team. There is Zay Flowers out of 75, 25 out of 75. Nice Zay Flowers. Got a nice box here too. Ryan Tannehill, Aiden Hutchinson, and Nick Chubb. Let me top load these real fast, then we'll do our last pack. That should have our last auto. Now is the time to get that guess in. I got Tony Pollard here. For the last auto, that's the last guess I see in the chat. If anybody else wants to get guess in, you got to do it right now. You do not have to be in the break to guess. Before I grab that other pack, I have to have that guess in there. Just got a couple more to top load. We got Mosaic No Huddle coming up right after this one. We will do a recap after I go through this last pack. All right. Looks like Tony Pollard is the last guess in the chat, so no more guesses, guys. Here we go. Kid reporter card right there. Certified Stars, A.J. Brown. And there it is. That is our last auto of this break. It is Josh Downs. Josh Downs was the guess. That is out of 349. That is 9 out of 349, I believe. On a rookie patch auto, freshman fabric. Josh Downs for the Colts. That's a messed up sleeve right there. Make sure you guys click on that Future Breaks. Bookmark that page. Once we schedule breaks, they will go on there. Plus, we'll have discount codes and everything on that page. So make sure you guys bookmark that so you can keep up when our breaks are getting scheduled. You see what spots are available as well. There's Mahomes, Tremaine Edmonds, and Nico Collins. All right, let's do our recap here. We got Josh Downs on the freshman fabric we just showed. Excuse me. Stephon Diggs out of 275. Dugan out of 399. Schoonmaker out of 99 right there. Tank Dell out of 199. Zay Flowers out of 75. Derek Henry on the calling cards. Then we have out of 249. That is Micah Parsons for Dallas. Evan Hull out of 50 on the rookie auto right there for the Colts. Then we have Jordan Addison out of 249 for Minnesota. And certified ballers Nick Chubb on the patch out of 149. All right, guys, that does it for break number 2. Up next is a 23 Mosaic No Huddle PYT 80. Again,